Hello everyone! Have you ever seen the recent weird trends about eating uncooked food on social media? Lately, eating less ingredients, less preparing food is a new trend in Thailand. I guess we all know sashimi, the thinly sliced raw fish such as salmon or tuna. But this weird trend we're talking about is sashimi, but it's not a fish. It's a raw chicken breast sashimi, or in Japanese name called toriwasa. The chicken sashimi eating with soy sauce and wasabi. This trend goes viral on Facebook, followed by TikTok, as well as another weird trend, eating raw roti dough. The roti dough is made of eggs, milk, butter, and flour. If you can't imagine how they look like, here's a short video clip. Let's see it together.
ทาดาโรตีสดมาแล้วค่ะเห็นเขากินกันใหญ่เลยในอินเทอร์เน็ตก็เลยมาลองบ้างเดี๋ยวมาลองชิมดูค่ะอร่อยกินแล้วเนาะกินแล้วเนาะ
ใช่แล้วก็พี่มอสเลยแบมือเลยนั่นหน่อยนะแล้วก็อันนี้ราดต่อร้านใช่ไหมใช่มอสกินอ่ะแล้วก็นี่อันนี้กระดาษ
Well, it looks weird, right? People are keeping their eye on this viral trend because the foods are so dangerous to our health. Thai public health organizations and doctors are so worried about infections from raw food. The warning about health risks when eating raw meat and dough has widely spread our television news and social media as a highly concerned message.
Eating uncooked food can cause foodborne infections from bacteria. One of the top 5 bacteria that cause food poisoning is Salmonella. We can get Salmonella infected in various ways, typically from eating uncooked food, such as raw or undercooked meat products, unpasteurized milk or dairy products, raw or undercooked eggs, unwashed fruit and vegetables.
If you wonder what is Salmonella, it's a type of bacteria that causes food poisoning. It naturally lives in the intestines of humans and various animals. Salmonella bacteria can spread to the fecal to oral route, contaminated food and water.
The illness caused by these bacteria are vary from mild symptoms such as having fever, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, and can be more severe in some cases, such as becoming blind, having brain damages, or death.
For the prevention, we can easily prevent the Salmonella infection by make sure foods eat cooked properly and wash fruits and vegetables carefully before eating raw. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap before and after preparing food. Clean cooking utensils such as cutting board, knife, and counter after dealing with the raw animal products.
Now you know how dangerous it is. Please don't forget to cook your food properly.
And avoid eating contaminated food. Thank you.